This mantra is part of my training program, Who Will Cry When I Die? And I'm giving this mantra to you today. This mantra is, the rest of my life is the best of my life. You know why? Because today you are armed with a kind of Brahmastra that you can consciously condition yourself. ये कितना बड़ा ब्रह्मास्त्र है. I actually call it a Brahmastra. As you keep on applying it, as you keep on using this weapon, you'll discover its power. आज आपको खाली पता चला कि ये इसका नाम ऐसा है. It is just like that. And to get an experience of it, what you can do today, at least today आप इसको कर सकते ही हैं. Replace all should be's and must be's with good enough. Example, आप किसी को ऐसा बोलना चाहते हैं कि you should have done this, या किसी को आप बोलना चाहते हैं कि you should do this or you must do this. Just reframe it with this sentence that you are good enough to do it. ये कितना पावरफुल है, इसका पावर मैंने देखा है, because I am working with these two schools, almost about 800 children, maybe more than that now. It is so powerful कि wherever you are in your life, whatever you are going through in your life, replace all these should be's and must be's with good enough. किसी के लिए भी, अपने लिए करो, किसी और के लिए करो, पर्टिकुलरली किसी और के लिए करोगे तो वो डबल इफेक्ट हो जाता है. अपने लिए तो होता ही है, उसके लिए भी हो जाता है, और इट्स अदर वे अराउंड. उसके लिए तो होता ही है, अपने लिए भी हो जाता है. Just use this word in all the communication that you are going to have today to encourage or empower or inspire somebody, motivate somebody. खाली इसका इस्तेमाल कीजिए. And you can even make it more powerful by using Milton model language patterns, starting with I know. So this is the first one in this Milton model language patterns. The first one is I know. So tell people, I know you are good enough to do this. I know you are good enough to handle this. I know you are good enough to take up this challenge. I know you are good enough to come up with a solution for this problem. आप सोच नहीं सकते आप उसको क्या दे रहे हो. You know, you are giving that person a gift of confidence that he or she was looking for at that given point of time. आप उसके लाइफ में उसी वक्त इतना बड़ा ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ला रहे हो जो उसको भी पता नहीं, लेकिन आपको पता है. वो बंदा आपका दीवाना बन जाएगा, आप खुद अपनी दीवानी बन जाएंगे. You know, self-love, the height of self-love is good enough. Telling yourself, I am good enough. That's the highest form of self-love. आपको कोई लॉजिक की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी. Where logic ends, magic begins. सारा लॉजिक खत्म हो जाता है और मैजिक शुरू हो जाता है लाइफ में. Okay, so just be in that vibration for the day. At least maintain this high frequency vibration for next 15 to 20 minutes. Maybe more than that if possible. And let yourself immerse into that vibration. आज मैं उल्टा कह रहा हूं. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूं कि वाइब्रेशन को सेटल डाउन होने दो. मैं कह रहा हूं आप उसके अंदर इमर्स हो जाइए, आप उसके अंदर डूब जाइए, और तब तक डूबते रहिए जब तक ना यू टच द बॉटम ऑफ दैट. लाइक आपको पता चल गई ये आई हैव रीच्ड द बेड, of this vibration now. जैसे सी बेड होता है, रिवर बेड होता है, लेक्स के बेड्स होते हैं, the lowest part. Immerse yourself into this vibration and be there. When you touch that surface, बस वहां पे जाके बैठ जाइए. Then you start living the rest of your life today. Okay, it might take at least 15 to 20 minutes to be there. Maybe not more than half an hour for sure, because you are already much closer to that bed. आप उसके बहुत नजदीक हो इस वक्त. Don't talk to anybody. Don't get yourself distracted by anything. Just stay there. वहां पे वेल्स आएंगे, शार्क्स आएंगे, सब आएंगे, लेकिन आप एकदम प्रहलाद की तरह वहां पे बैठे रहना, उस सी बेड पे, उस रिवर बेड पे, उस बेड ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस में, द डीप कॉन्शियसनेस, वहीं पे बैठे रहना थोड़ी देर के लिए. ओके, सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. मेक योर लाइफ अमेजिंग इन एवरी पॉसिबल वे, not only for you but for everybody around you. When you do it for everybody around you, you can't even imagine what's going to happen with you. Okay, so that's all for today. Tomorrow we will be discussing a very powerful thought, very powerful concept, and that is how to make law of attraction work for yourself. I'm telling you, it will be an amazing experience for you. It will be a turning point in your life. I can guarantee that to you. Okay, bye-bye.